Did you know that Australia is the world's smallest continent and sixth largest country by area? It is located in the southern hemisphere and is surrounded by the Indian Ocean to the west and south, and the Pacific Ocean to the east and north. Australia has a diverse landscape, with mountains, deserts, rainforests, and beaches. The highest point is Mount Kosciuszko, which is 2,228 meters, 7,310 feet, tall. Australia is also home to the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system. Did you know that Micronesia is a region in Oceania that includes approximately 2,100 islands, with a total land area of 2,700 square kilometers, 1,000 square miles? The largest of these islands is Guam, which covers 582 square kilometers, 225 square miles. The total ocean area within the perimeter of the islands is 7,400,000 square kilometers, 2,900,000 square miles. Micronesia has a diverse landscape, with high volcanic islands, low coral atolls, and mangrove forests. The highest point is Mount Nanmadol on Pohnpei, which is 791 meters, 2,598 feet, tall. Micronesia is also home to the Yap Trench, the deepest point in the Pacific Ocean at 9,810 meters, 32,200 feet. Did you know that Fiji is an island country located in the South Pacific Ocean? It is bordered by Tuvalu to the north, Wallis and Futuna to the west, New Caledonia to the southwest, Vanuatu to the south, and Tonga to the southeast. Fiji is made up of over 300 islands, with a total land area of 18,274 square kilometers, 7,056 square miles. Fiji has a diverse landscape, with mountains, rainforests, and beaches. The highest point is Mount Taumanivi, which is 1,324 meters, 4,344 feet, tall. Fiji is also home to the Great Astrolabe Reef, the world's third largest coral reef system. Did you know that Kiribati is a small island country located in the central Pacific Ocean? It is made up of 33 atolls and one raised coral island, Banaba, scattered over a vast area of over 3 million square kilometers, 1.16 million square miles. The highest point in Kiribati is only 2 meters, 6.6 feet, above sea level. Kiribati's landscape is dominated by its atolls, which are ring-shaped coral islands that surround a lagoon. The atolls are home to a variety of plants and animals, including coconut palms, breadfruit trees, and seabirds. Kiribati also has a number of marine protected areas, which are home to sharks, turtles, and other marine life. Did you know that the Marshall Islands is an island country located in the North Pacific Ocean? It is made up of 29 atolls and 5 single islands, scattered over a vast area of over 1.9 million square kilometers, 730,000 square miles. The highest point in the Marshall Islands is only 2 meters, 6.6 feet, above sea level. The Marshall Islands landscape is dominated by its atolls, which are ring-shaped coral islands that surround a lagoon. The atolls are home to a variety of plants and animals, including coconut palms, breadfruit trees, and seabirds. The Marshall Islands also has a number of marine protected areas, which are home to sharks, turtles, and other marine life. Did you know that Nauru is a tiny island country located in the South Pacific Ocean? It is the smallest country in Oceania and the third smallest country in the world, after Vatican City and Monaco. Nauru is made up of a single oval-shaped island with a total land area of 21 square kilometers, 8.1 square miles. The highest point in Nauru is only 65 meters, 213 feet, above sea level. Nauru's landscape is dominated by a central plateau, which is surrounded by a narrow coastal strip. The plateau is largely composed of phosphate rock, which was mined extensively in the past. This has left much of the plateau barren and scarred. The coastal strip is more fertile and is home to the majority of Nauru's population. Did you know that New Zealand is an island country located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean? It is made up of 2 main islands, the North Island and the South Island, as well as a number of smaller islands. New Zealand is bordered by the Coral Sea to the north, the Tasman Sea to the west, and the Pacific Ocean to the east and south. New Zealand has a diverse landscape, with mountains, forests, beaches, and glaciers. The highest point in New Zealand is Aoraki/Mount Cook, which is 3,724 meters, 12,218 feet, tall. New Zealand is also home to the Fiordland National Park, which is known for its stunning fjords, waterfalls, and rainforests. Did you know that Palau is a small island country located in the western Pacific Ocean? It is made up of over 300 islands, but most of its population lives on the main island of Babeldabe. Palau is known for its stunning natural beauty, including its crystal clear waters, limestone islands, and lush rainforests. One of the most unique features of Palau's geography is its rock islands. These islands are made of limestone and have been shaped by erosion over millions of years. They are home to a variety of plants and animals, including sea turtles, manta rays, and tropical birds. Did you know that Papua New Guinea is a country located in Oceania? It is the world's third largest island country, after Indonesia and Greenland. Papua New Guinea is made up of the eastern half of the island of New Guinea, as well as a number of smaller islands. Papua New Guinea is bordered by Indonesia to the west, the Solomon Islands to the east, and Australia to the south. Papua New Guinea has a diverse landscape, with mountains, rainforests, and beaches. The highest point in Papua New Guinea is Mount Wilhelm, which is 4,509 meters, 14,826 feet, tall. Did you know that Samoa is a small island country located in the South Pacific Ocean? It is made up of 9 islands, 2 of which are uninhabited. Samoa is known for its stunning natural beauty, including its white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush rainforests. One of the most unique features of Samoa's geography is its volcanic islands. These islands were formed by millions of years of volcanic activity, and some of them are still active today. The highest point in Samoa is Mount Salisalai on the island of Savoy, which is 1,858 meters, 6,129 feet, tall. Did you know that the Solomon Islands is an island country located in the South Pacific Ocean? It is made up of over 900 islands, scattered over an area of over 1.3 million square kilometers, 500,000 square miles. The Solomon Islands is known for its stunning natural beauty, including its white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush rainforests. One of the most unique features of the Solomon Islands geography is its coral reefs. The Solomon Islands has some of the most diverse and well-preserved coral reefs in the world. These reefs are home to a variety of marine life, including sharks, turtles, and colorful fish. Did you know that Tonga is a small island country located in the South Pacific Ocean? It is made up of over 170 islands, scattered over an area of over 700,000 square kilometers, 270,000 square miles. Tonga is known for its stunning natural beauty, including its white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush rainforests. One of the most unique features of Tonga's geography is its volcanic islands. These islands were formed by millions of years of volcanic activity, and some of them are still active today. The highest point in Tonga is Mount Kau on the island of Kau, which is 1,030 meters, 3,379 feet, tall. Did you know that Tuvalu is a small island country located in the South Pacific Ocean? It is made up of 9 atolls, scattered over an area of over 900,000 square kilometers, 350,000 square miles. Tuvalu is known for its stunning natural beauty, including its white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush palm trees. One of the most unique features of Tuvalu's geography is its atolls. Atolls are ring-shaped coral islands that surround a lagoon. Tuvalu's atolls are home to a variety of plants and animals, including coconut palms, breadfruit trees, and seabirds. Did you know that Vanuatu is a small island country located in the South Pacific Ocean? It is made up of over 80 islands, scattered over an area of over 1.3 million square kilometers, 500,000 square miles. Vanuatu is known for its stunning natural beauty, including its white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush rainforests. One of the most unique features of Vanuatu's geography is its volcanic islands. These islands were formed by millions of years of volcanic activity, and some of them are still active today. The highest point in Vanuatu is Mount Tabomasana on the island of Espiritu Santo, which is 1,879 meters, 6,165 feet, tall. Did you know that Russia is the largest country in the world by area? It is located in northern Eurasia and is bordered by 14 countries, including Norway and Finland to the northwest, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and Poland to the west, Belarus and Ukraine to the southwest, Georgia to the south, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, and China to the east, and North Korea and Japan to the far east. Russia is a land of mountains, plains, and deserts. The highest mountain in Russia is Mount Elbrus, which is over 5,600 meters tall. The Ural Mountains run through the middle of the country. The Siberian Plain is a vast plain that covers most of the country. The Kara Sea and the Laptev Sea are located in the Arctic Ocean. Did you know that Myanmar is a country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by Bangladesh to the west, India to the northwest, China to the north, Laos to the east, and Thailand to the south. Myanmar is a land of mountains, forests, and plains. The highest mountain in Myanmar is Kakabo Razi, which is located in the north of the country. The largest forest in Myanmar is the Tamanthi Forest Reserve, which is located in the south of the country. The longest river in Myanmar is the Irrawaddy River, which flows through the central plains of the country. Did you know that Cambodia is a country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by Thailand to the north, Laos to the northeast, Vietnam to the east and south, and the Gulf of Thailand to the southwest. Cambodia is a landlocked country, except for its coastline along the Gulf of Thailand. The geography of Cambodia is diverse, with mountains, a central plain, and a southern delta. The Mekong River flows through Cambodia, and it is a major source of water and transportation for the country. The Cardamom Mountains are located in the southwest of Cambodia and are home to a variety of plants and animals, including tigers, elephants, and gibbons. The Tunnel Sap Lake is the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia and is home to a variety of fish and other aquatic life. The Mekong Delta is the largest delta in Southeast Asia and is home to a variety of rice paddies, mangrove forests, and canals. Did you know that Thailand is a country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by Myanmar to the north, Laos to the northeast, Cambodia to the east, Malaysia to the south, and the Gulf of Thailand to the southwest. Thailand is a land of contrasts, with mountains, forests, beaches, and islands. The highest mountain in Thailand is Doi Inthanon, which is located in the north of the country. The largest forest in Thailand is Khao Sok National Park, which is located in the south of the country. The longest river in Thailand is the Chao Phraya River, which flows through the central plains of the country. The largest island in Thailand is Phuket, which is located in the Andaman Sea. Did you know that Laos is the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia? Laos is a landlocked country in Southeast Asia. It is bordered by Thailand to the west, Cambodia to the south, Vietnam to the east, and China to the north. The country is home to a diverse range of landscapes, including mountains, forests, and rivers. Did you know that Vietnam is a country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by China to the north, Laos and Cambodia to the west, the Gulf of Thailand to the southwest, and the South China Sea to the east and southeast. Vietnam is a long, narrow country, shaped like the letter S. The geography of Vietnam is diverse, with mountains, rivers, and beaches. The highest mountain in Vietnam is Phan Xipang, which is located in the north of the country. The longest river in Vietnam is the Mekong River, which flows through the central plains of the country. The coast of Vietnam is 3,260 kilometers long, and it is home to many beautiful beaches. Did you know that Malaysia is the fourth biggest country located in Southeast Asia? It is bordered by Thailand to the north, Singapore to the south, Indonesia to the east, and the South China Sea to the west. Malaysia is a land of two halves, with Peninsular Malaysia on the Malay Peninsula and East Malaysia on the island of Borneo. The geography of Malaysia is diverse, with mountains, rainforests, beaches, and islands. Mount Kinabalu is the highest mountain in Malaysia, and it is a popular destination for hiking and mountaineering. The rainforests of Malaysia are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including orangutans, tigers, and elephants. The beaches of Malaysia are some of the most beautiful in Southeast Asia, and they are a popular destination for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. Did you know that Singapore is an island country and city-state located in Southeast Asia? It is made up of one main island and 63 smaller islands, and it is located at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula. Singapore is a very small country, with a total area of only 721 square kilometers. The geography of Singapore is diverse, with a coastline, beaches, hills, and a rainforest. The coastline of Singapore is home to many beaches, including the popular Sentosa Beach. The hills of Singapore are home to the Singapore Botanic Gardens, which are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The rainforest of Singapore is home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including monkeys, snakes, and birds. Did you know that Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world? It is made up of over 17,000 islands, and it is located between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Indonesia is the world's fourth most populous country, with over 270 million people. The geography of Indonesia is diverse, with mountains, volcanoes, rainforests, and beaches. Mount Bromo is one of the most active volcanoes in Indonesia, and it is a popular tourist destination. The rainforests of Indonesia are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including orangutans, tigers, and elephants. The beaches of Indonesia are some of the most beautiful in the world, and they are a popular destination for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. Did you know that the Philippines is an archipelago located in Southeast Asia? It is made up of over 7,600 islands, and it is located in the western Pacific Ocean. The Philippines is the world's 15th most populous country, with over 110 million people. The geography of the Philippines is diverse, with mountains, volcanoes, beaches, and rainforests. The highest mountain in the Philippines is Mount Apo, which is located in the island of Mindanao. The most active volcano in the Philippines is Mayon Volcano, which is located in the island of Luzon. The beaches of the Philippines are some of the most beautiful in the world, and they are a popular destination for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. The rainforests of the Philippines are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including orangutans, monkeys, and birds. Did you know that Brunei is a small country located on the island of Borneo? It is bordered by Malaysia to the north and the South China Sea to the south and east. Brunei is a very small country, with a total area of only 5,765 square kilometers. The geography of Brunei is diverse, with a coastline, rivers, hills, and rainforests. The coastline of Brunei is home to many beaches, including the popular Muara Beach. The rivers of Brunei are home to a variety of fish and wildlife. The hills of Brunei are home to the Ulu Temburong National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The rainforests of Brunei are home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including orangutans, elephants, and tigers. Did you know that Timor-Leste is a small country located in Southeast Asia? It is located on the island of Timor, which it shares with Indonesia. Timor-Leste is a very mountainous country, with the highest peak being Mount Ramelow at 2,963 meters, 9,721 feet. The climate in Timor-Leste is tropical, with wet and dry seasons. The geography of Timor-Leste is diverse, with mountains, forests, and beaches. The mountains of Timor-Leste are home to a variety of plants and animals, including the Timorese mouse deer and the Timorese leopard. The forests of Timor-Leste are home to a variety of trees, including sandalwood and teak. The beaches of Timor-Leste are some of the most beautiful in Southeast Asia, and they are a popular destination for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. Did you know that China is the world's most populous country and fourth largest country by area? It is located in East Asia and is bordered by 14 countries, including Russia to the north, Mongolia to the northeast, North Korea to the northeast, Vietnam to the south, and India to the southwest. China is a land of mountains, deserts, plains, and plateaus. The highest mountain in China is Mount Everest, which is located on the border with Nepal. The Gobi Desert covers much of the northern part of the country. The Yangtze River is the longest river in China and the third longest river in the world. Did you know that Japan is an island country located in East Asia? It is bordered by the Sea of Japan to the west, the East China Sea to the south, and the Pacific Ocean to the east and northeast. Japan is a land of mountains, volcanoes, and forests. The highest mountain in Japan is Mount Fuji, which is over 3,700 meters tall. The Japanese Alps run through the central part of the country. The volcanic island of Hokkaido is located in the north. The Ryukyu Islands are located in the south. Did you know that Mongolia is a landlocked country located in Central Asia? It is bordered by Russia to the north and China to the south, east, and west. Mongolia is a land of mountains, steppes, and deserts. The highest mountain in Mongolia is Khitan Peak, which is over 4,300 meters tall. The Gobi Desert covers much of the southern part of the country. The steppes of Mongolia are a vast grassland region that is home to many nomadic people. Did you know that North Korea is a country located in East Asia? It is bordered by China to the north and south, and Russia to the northeast. North Korea is a land of mountains, valleys, and rivers. The highest mountain in North Korea is Pikdasan, which is over 2,700 meters tall. The Taebaek Mountains run through the middle of the country. The Yalu River and Tumun River form the border between North Korea and China. Did you know that South Korea is a country located in East Asia? It is bordered by North Korea to the north, the Sea of Japan to the east, the East China Sea to the south, and China to the west. South Korea is a land of mountains, valleys, and beaches. The highest mountain in South Korea is Hallasan, which is over 1,950 meters tall. The Taebaek Mountains run through the middle of the country. The Gyeongsang Mountains are located in the southeast. The Yellow Sea and the East China Sea are located to the south. Did you know that Taiwan is an island located off the coast of mainland China? It is located in the western Pacific Ocean and is about the size of the state of Maryland. Taiwan is a land of mountains, forests, and beaches. The highest mountain in Taiwan is Yushan, which is over 3,900 meters tall. The Central Mountain Range runs through the center of the island. The East China Sea and the Taiwan Strait surround the island.